Hello Gotraders! Kumita na ba kayo? In this video, we will review BDX PG AEM GOLD. We will use technical analysis to determine if we should buy, hold, or sell. Also, you will learn the market stats from Gotrade, experts' opinion, earnings per share, and a brief description of the stock we are buying or holding or selling. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on. Alright, BDX, Becton, Dickinson and Company. Why did I buy this? One is because it has created a higher low and a possible of distance here. I think it has a good momentum here, shown by this MACD, wide and sloping up. Let's check our two EMAs. Okay, EMA 10 is about to cross EMA 50 and it looks like a good bounce. Okay, now let's go to, as we promised, the market stats.
Becton, Dickinson and Company engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of medical supplies, devices, laboratory equipment, and diagnostic products. It operates through the following segments: BD Medical, BD Life Sciences, and BD Interventional. The BD Medical segment produces medical technologies and devices that are used to help improve healthcare delivery. The BD Life Sciences segment provides products for the safe collection and transport of diagnostic specimens, and instruments and reagent systems to detect infectious diseases, healthcare-associated infections, and cancers. The BD Interventional segment offers vascular, urology, oncology, and surgical specialty products to hospitals, individual healthcare professionals, extended care facilities, alternate site facilities, and patients via its home care business. The company was founded by Maxwell W. Becton and Fairleigh S. Dickinson in 1897 and is headquartered in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey.
Okay, market stats of BDX is market cap is 68.76 billion. Price earning ratio is 44.86. Dividend yield is 1.47. You can find this guys sa Gotrade app natin. What the experts say. 75% of them say to buy these stocks. 25% to hold, 0% sell. Okay, so maganda to, and they have an estimated return of 17.16%. That's cool. Then the risk, BDX has 40% less risk than the market as a whole. So medyo kampante tayo dito guys, having this fundamentals. Earnings per share is $3.64 per share. So, medyo mataas siya. Okay, so Procter & Gamble. Okay, we have drawn here the resistance, then the support here. And eto, nag-draw na rin ako nitong arrow na predicting that it will go up. Having a 7.34 risk-reward ratio. Okay, if it hits our resistance at 8.06%. Cut loss area natin, it's 1% lang. So, we sell there. Dito. Ayan, at 141.46. Nag-trail stop na lang tayo dito. Okay. Diba, ito is pandahilan kaya ako bumili nito is because of this EMA 10 crossing EMA 50. So, showing a bullish trend here. Plus, the MACD. Tingnan nyo naman, angat na angat to. Ang ganda tignan. At pabuka siya. So, even though naging red siya today or yesterday, negative 0.52%, still, based from my analysis here, I will keep on holding this stock until it reach this resistance area. Okay, Now let's go to the market stats. Market cap is 344.32 billion. Price earnings ratio is 24.73. Medyo mataas yun. Si Tito Warren, okay sa kanya, basta mataas ng 15%. Mataas ng 15 ang PE ratio, okay na sa kanya. Dividend yield, 2.47%. Okay, according to 10 Wall Street analysts, 80% of them say buy. 20% of them say hold. So, no selling at all. The estimated return is 8.87%. And PG has 51% less risk than the market as a whole. So, okay siya. Earnings per share niya is $1.66. Okay, so medyo solid tong stocks na to. But again, as a trader, we do not buy and hold. We only hold until it reach our objective. Okay?
Procter & Gamble Company engages in the provision of branded consumer packaged goods. It operates through the following segments: beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine and family care. The beauty segment offers hair, skin, and personal care. The grooming segment consists of shave care like female and male blades and razors, pre- and post-shave products, and appliances. The healthcare segment includes oral care products like toothbrushes, toothpaste, and personal health care such as gastrointestinal, rapid diagnostics, respiratory, and vitamins, minerals, and supplements. The fabric and home care segment consists of fabric enhancers, laundry additives and detergents, and air, dish, and surface care. The baby, feminine and family care segment sells baby wipes, diapers, and pants, adult incontinence, feminine care, paper towels, tissues, and toilet paper. The company was founded by William Procter and James Gamble in 1837 and is headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio.
So let's move on to our next stocks. Next stock, which is AEM. AEM. Okay, again, i-buray muna natin itong mga drawing natin para hindi tayo malito. Okay. I bought this because our yellow line just crossed our blue line, backed up by this solid MACD, sloping upward and getting wide, meaning it is having a good momentum, bullish momentum. And tingnan nyo naman yung candlestick natin, green at malaki. Okay, tingnan natin yung ano natin, possible upside. Let's draw our resistance area. Okay, here. Then our support. Okay, here. Okay. So, seeing this, magandang potential that this will go up. Okay. Ayan, it will keep on going up. Based from my analysis, pero of course, guys, this is just a probability. Anything can change. Something can happen. So, let's just be watchful. Okay, as a good trader as we are. Okay, natin yung risk reward niya. Okay. Lalagyan natin dito yung ating possible reward. We will cut our loss here. 3.97%. Our resistance is 11.8. It is a almost 3% risk reward ratio. That's fair enough. Okay, 1:3. Okay, 1 is to 3. 1. Okay, fair enough. Okay, now let's go to our expert's opinion. Market stats. Market cap 23.52 billion. Price earning ratio 41.61. That's high. Dividend yield 2.82. Now guys, do sa mga dividend players natin dyan, so pwede kayong mag-hold dyan. Okay, what the experts say? They said 100% to buy these stocks because it has an estimated return of 26.16%. Not bad. Target price is $65. Wow. Okay, AEM has a 29% less risk than the market as a whole. Okay, so maganda yung ating earnings per share. Medyo mababa. 0.75 earnings per share. So, and then let's hear some brief description of the company.
Agnico Eagle Mines Limited engages in the exploration and production of gold. It operates through the following segments: Northern Business, Southern Business, and Exploration. The Northern Business segment comprises of LaRonde Mine, LaRonde Zone 5 Mine, Lapa Mine, Goldex Mine, Meadowbank Mine including the Emmerich Deposit, Canadian Malartic Joint Operation, Meliadine Project and Kittila Mine. The Southern Business segment consists of Pinos Altos Mine, Creston Muscota Mine, and La India Mine. The Exploration segment represents the exploration offices in the United States, Europe, Canada, and Latin America. The company was founded by Paul Penna in 1957 and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada.
Okay, next, let's go to Barrick Gold. Pag tinype nyo kasi guys yung gold dito, kaya marami lumalabas. May gold mining. Ito yung Barrick Gold natin, USA. NYSE. New York Stock Exchange. Okay. So let's see. Okay, looking at our daily time frame. Again, let's remove the drawings first. Okay. Just like our other parameters, our yellow line must cross the blue line with a MACD sloping upward. That gives us a momentum. And this is why I bought this. Now, should you be buying at this point? Dito pa lang bumili na ako eh. Here, I think. So, yan. Tingnan natin yung upside niya. Okay, so if you will buy here, and this is our resistance, this is our cut loss area, we will have a 1.7 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's draw a resistance here. And our support, and so, but we placed our cut loss here, cut loss area. Wait. All right. Now let's go to market stats. Market cap of gold, Barrick Gold, is $32.47 billion. Price earning ratio, wow, taas 75.25. Dividend yield, if you are a dividend player, again, This is a good one, 3.77%. What experts say? 50% of them say that we should buy. For the other 50%, they say to hold. Okay. Target price is at 22.50. Estimated return 21.62%. Risk. Gold has 35% less risk than the market as a whole. So maganda yan. Now let's hear some description of Barrick Gold.
Barrick Gold Corporation engages in the production and sale of gold, copper, and related activities. It also provides exploration and mining development. It operates through the following business segments: Carlin, Cortez, Turquoise Ridge, Pueblo Viejo, Lulo-Gancoto, Kibali, Veladero, North Mara, Balayan Hilu, and others. The other segments includes Long Canyon, Phoenix, Nevada Gold Mines, Hemlo, Latin America and Asia Pacific, North Mara, Tongan, Buzwaji, and Africa and Middle East. The company was founded by Peter D. Monk in 1983 and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada.
Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. And again, as always, I always wish everyone to profit. May the profits be with us. Okay, so keep watching this channel and let's learn together. And let's be profitable together. Alright? Have a great week. Bye.